Great! Woody, the rocket! The match! Yes! Thank you, Sid! No! No, no! 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 Woody, what are you doing? Hold still, Buzz! You did it! Next stop, Andy! Wait a minute. I just lit a rocket. Rockets explode!
Should've held on longer.
Look, it's Woody and Buzz coming up fast!
Not today! Ah! Hey, Buzz! You're flying! This isn't flying, this is falling with style. To infinity and beyond! Buzz! We missed the truck! We're not aiming for the truck.
Hey, wow!
What is it?
Woody! Buzz!
Oh, great, you found them. Where were they?
Here in the car!
See? Now, what did I tell you? Right where you left them.